Okay, today we are explaining mathematics model paper, how to divide the marks. Now we are getting totally 4 sections. In this section 1 we have objective type questions, and the section 2 very short answer questions, and section 3 short answer questions, and section 4 is essay questions, essay answer questions. In this first section 1 we have totally 12 questions. Each one carries 1 mark. Before we get 6 questions and totally 12 questions. In the 12 questions we are getting half mark before paper, before corona. Now the change in paper is each one carries 1 mark, then 12 into 1, 12 marks. In these 12 questions, 1 to 6 questions are from the paper 1. That means topic 1 to topic 7. Now 7 to 12 questions are paper 2 questions. That means chapter numbers 8 to total last 14th topic. Now these are the first section questions, objective type questions. Now second section, very short answer questions. In this we have totally 8 questions. Each carries 2 marks. Totally 8 into 2, 16 marks. In these 16 marks from paper 1, that means 1 to 8 topics, 13 to 16 questions are there. That means 13th question, 14th, 15th and 16th. And 17th question to 20th question is from the paper 2. Then totally 8 questions, each carries 2 marks, totally 16 marks. Now we are going to the third section. In this third section, short answer questions, that means 4 marks questions. In these 4 marks questions, totally 8 questions are there. In this also we are dividing into the 2 papers. From the first paper, that means 1 to 8 topics are 21 to 24 questions are paper 1, and 25th to 28 questions are paper 2. Totally 8 questions, 8 into 4, 32 marks. Now we are going to the fourth section. In this section, essay answer questions. Essay answer question, each one having the 8 marks. Total we have 5 questions. In these 5 questions, 29 and 30 are the paper 1, 31 and 32 are the paper 2, and 33rd question is either graph or construction. Now totally 5 questions, 5 into 8, 40 marks. Now objective type questions, there is no choice, and also very short answers, no choice. Short answer questions also no choice. But essay questions we have internal choice. That means 29A and 29B. Either A or B you can write. Like that we can write totally 5 questions, 5 8 are 40 marks. Totally 12 plus 16 plus 32 plus 40, totally 100 marks. This is our question paper model. Now we have mathematics standards, academic standards of the mathematics. Now we have totally 5 standards. In these 5 standards, first one is problem solving, and the second one is reasoning and proof, and the third one is communication, and fourth one is connection, and the last one visualization and representation. We know already 33rd question is depending upon the 5th category, visualization and representation. What is the visualization and representation type of questions? Either graphs and constructions. Constructions, graphs to solve the problems using given tables and etc. That means graphs and constructions. Constructions means similar triangles we have in constructions. And also we have tangent constructions. In the 2 topics we have constructions. Now if you prepare those 2 topics, you will get the construction question. And the graphs. Now in first paper we have polynomials and linear equations in 2 variables. If you practice the graphs, you will get the 4 marks. 8 marks. Now construction and graphs, if you are preparing constructions and graphs, you will definitely return 33rd question. That means totally 5 questions, 1 question we just said. That question is either construction or graph. Now we are going to the first academic skill of mathematics, that is problem solving. Now the problem solving, which type of questions comes from the problem solving? For example, find the value of some x, or simplify the equation, or determine the value of x, or evaluate the value and solve the problem, show that, prepare the tables from the given data. Like this type of questions from the problem solving. Now this is the first academic standard of the mathematics, problem solving. Now we are going to the second skill or second academic standard of the mathematics, that is reasoning and proof. Now in this type of questions, verification, verify the equation is, or give the reasons, or explain the terms of mean, explain the terms of mode, explain the terms of median, like that questions, and support the data ni support chestu edana cheyali, and give the given data is sufficient or not, given data is sufficient or not for the solving that problem. These type of questions will be comes from the reasoning and proof. This is the second standard of the mathematics. Now we are going to the third academic standard, that is communication. Communication means definitions, define, definitions and data convert into the tables. For example, data is given in the written form. Now you have to convert it into the tables. That means it is in the mensuration or statistics, like the topics. Definitions, data convert into the tables. Standard form. Standard form means either exponential form or rational form. Conversions, those all are in communication. Communication is the third academic standard of the mathematics. First one is problem solving, second one is reasoning and proof, third one is communication. Now our fourth academic standard is connections. Connections means either mathematics to other subject, mathematics to other subject, or mathematics to mathematics. Mathematics to mathematics means one branch to other branch. For example, coordinate geometry to mensuration, or coordinate geometry to geometry. Like that, conversions or connections are called the connections. These type of questions will come from the connections. Now these are the academic standards of the mathematics. Now the first standard is problem solving, and the second standard is reasoning and proof, and third one is communications, and fourth one connections, and the last fifth one is visualization and representation. Now students, everyone will practice every problem, not only exercise problems, examples. Do this and try this. Everything will be practice if you want to get 100 out of 100 in the mathematics.